Hello, I am Dr. Shraddha Sadekar, antenatal and postnatal physiotherapist, manual therapist, and a dietitian at Physionutri Clinic, which is located at Lewiswadi, Thane. So, today I am going to talk about how to maintain correct and good posture in women, like for to boost women's health. So first is I'll explain in brief. This will be applicable for both working as well as household working women. So first is how to maintain a correct posture while sitting, especially for the desk job workers. So the first thing any person has to maintain is that feet should be flat on the ground. Again, hip and knee should be at 90-90 position. There should be a round support at the lower back. Shoulder should be straight and neck should be straight. Second thing is you have to stretch every 1 to 2 hours, especially if you are a desk job worker. Put a reminder that you have to at least stand for a minute after every 1 to 2 hour. This is a key to correct posture. Third thing is that ditch the heavy purse. If you are carrying a purse on any one side of the shoulder, so it is a recipe for like imbalance and back pain. Like it calls for your back pain. So you have to work out on this. Like you have to use a backpack, either backpack or the weight of the purse should be. You have to lose the weight of the purse. It should not be heavy. Fourth thing is you have to sleep the right way. It really matters the way you sleep. So the best sleeping position are side lying or supine. Like you have to lie down on your back. This is the first position, and the second is side lying. And how you can modify this position? The correct way is you have to side lie on one side, and you have to take a pillow in between both knees. This is for side lying, and whenever you're lying on your back, you have to take a pillow below your knees. So these two are a very good sleeping position, especially if you are suffering from back pain. Then again, the next thing is core. So your core strengthening and core activation plays a great role in your back. If your core is not correctly activated, or if you're not doing core exercises, then the 50% of load which your core takes, it again comes on your back. So activating your core or core exercise are equally important for your back pain. So here are two exercises which you can start if you are suffering from back pain. First is dead bug and second is bird dog. So I am demonstrating the exercises for you. So first exercises, you have to come on all four positions, like both your palms and knee, and herein your hip and knee should be 90-90. Knee should be exactly below your hip, and your palms should be exactly below your shoulder. And in this position, you have to lift your hand and straighten your knee, like you have to kick back. uh, but you have to do alternate positions, like alternate movements of this. If you are lifting your right hand, then you have to lift your left leg. Then again, both right hand and left leg you have to keep down. And next is again you have to lift your left hand, and simultaneously you have to lift your right leg. This is one exercise. The second is you have to lie on your back, and in lying down position you have to straighten both your hands, and again you have to keep your knees and hips in 90-90 position. In this position, again you have to use opposite hand, right. If you're using your right hand, you have to straighten your left leg. This exercise you have to do in alternate ways. The only difference in between these two exercises are, first exercise you have to come on your hands and knees, and in second exercise you have to lie down on your back. So the next thing is, you have to keep a track on your posture check. This is very important. Like, put a reminder after every 1 hour to change the position. If you are standing, you have to sit for 1 to 5 minutes. If you're sitting, you have to stand for at least 1 minute after every 1 to 1.5 hour. So you have to keep a track on that. Improving your posture and reducing back pain isn't about doing one big thing. It's just a daily habit which you have to inculcate in your daily activities. It will be a very big add-on for your posture and back pain. So these are few posture check and tips, healthy tips and exercises to improve your back pain as well as posture. If you want to, if you need a thorough assessment, you can surely visit our clinic, which is located at Louiswadi, Thane. Thank you.